So I call this the 3 R's to challenge stinking thinking: redirect, reframe, and recognize or accept. 1, redirect. Sometimes you just need to shift your focus. Instead of focusing on whatever that thought is, whatever is perseverating in your mind or you're ruminating over, shift to something else. These can include distraction activities. So maybe you're going to watch a comedy movie, or you're going to go for a walk in the park or to the beach, wherever you find a calm, soothing space. Maybe you're going to do a puzzle or adult coloring, whatever will just get your mind on something else.
This is Dr. Monica Blyde. If you loved that video, download the Faces of Health app, available in all app stores. To download the app, go to your app store, type in Faces of Health. There it is. Look for the turtle, and then you can download or open. We are in the Faces of Health app. So many different options for us, including a community where you can post, like, and subscribe. With your subscription, you have access to our premium features, including tapping skills, chair yoga, self-brain spotting, breathing skills, and so much more, and new content added every single month. Download the Faces of Health app today.